You can benefit from the crypto market without being a professional trader or spending hours watching charts. Finotraze provides an automated system that manages your assets for you and makes the entire process effortless. The platform uses advanced AI to evaluate market conditions and organize your portfolio efficiently without unnecessary complexity. Instead of constantly making manual decisions, you receive clear results generated through a structured, fully automated workflow. By registering through the special link in the description, you unlock full platform access plus an exclusive Canada-only welcome bonus. Finotraze is much more than another hype-driven crypto tool. It's built specifically for Canadians who want to grow their digital assets in a simple yet serious way. Whether you're new to crypto or stepping away from manual trading, the platform ensures a smooth and intuitive experience. Its AI works 24/7, tracking market behavior, recognizing patterns, adjusting strategies, and executing trades automatically, all based on your chosen preferences. No trading expertise is required. Set your goals and risk level, and Finotraze takes care of the rest. From there, the system maintains balance and optimizes decisions across your portfolio. Signing up through the provided link immediately activates your exclusive Canadian bonus. The AI behind Finotraze processes large amounts of market data in real time, identifying trends and adapting as conditions shift. Rather than following a rigid rule set, it constantly reevaluates new information, from market movements to emerging patterns, and adjusts its actions accordingly. This learning-focused approach helps the system react more precisely to changing environments, making the trading process more stable, consistent, and transparent over time. Finotraze stands out for its adaptability and self-improving nature. Unlike fixed trading bots, it keeps learning, analyzing your portfolio, responding to market changes, and refining its strategy. Functioning like a tireless digital analyst without emotional bias, security is also a top priority. The platform follows Canadian KYC and AML requirements, uses GDPR-compliant data protection, and applies strong encryption to protect your information. It connects securely to major exchanges like Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase, while keeping your funds under your own control. All data is hosted on certified high-security servers in Canada. Getting started is easy, setup is quick, customer support is responsive, and even beginners can navigate the interface comfortably. Once your account is active and your strategy is set, Finotraze takes over the trading process automatically, and your welcome bonus is added instantly. Finotraze aims to be a long-term partner in your investment journey, not just another tool. Whether you want to earn passive income, diversify your portfolio, or streamline your investing approach, the system grows and adapts with you. Remember that full access and the exclusive bonus are available only while the invitation link remains active. Crypto doesn't have to feel complicated. Let Finotraze handle the technical side so you can focus on results, freedom, and your financial goals. Use the link in the description now to claim your exclusive Canada welcome bonus while it's still active.